Hey guys, so just want to keep you posted, not actually keep you posted, I want to tell you about the 1954 truck that we're currently doing. It's actually my truck, so it's something we used to race previously. It used to be a great friend of ours' truck. I bought it from him, and now we're doing all the modifications that I wanted to do. So the truck is a 1954 Chevy 3100 truck. It's an old farmer's truck, so it's nearly 70 years old, but it's a little bit different. So this has a full tubular chassis. It's all linked from the front to the back. It has a 4-link on the back. We are currently running a 7-litre fully blown engine. We were running about 650. With the new modifications, we're going to run up to 1,000. But yeah, it got all the strength to go through. It did have a power glide in it, 2-stage power glide. Now we're going to change that to a 6-speed manual transmission. I want to make it more of a daily. We've increased the horsepower, but just to make it more of a daily. But to talk about what we're doing in here with the guys, they are making us a full front clip. I've always wanted that done to the truck. So basically that means making a mold of the entire front end. So from the nose right up to where the bonnet meets the body. So we can then have this as one clip made in carbon Kevlar or fiberglass or carbon fiber. So it means what we can do is lift it off in one go, that expose the whole engine, makes life a hell of a lot easier for working on, and also something I've always wanted to do. There are other mods we're going to do. We're going to put the radiator into the back, put some extra bracing in, some extra bracing inside, different seats, different fuel cell. It's going to be absolutely sick. So it's going to be a great build to watch us do. But yeah, so far, Pete's going to keep you posted with how they're doing on the front end. It's going to be super fun. And then we're going to, once the mold has been done, we're going to reinforce it and make all the brackets and clips for it to fit. So yeah, if you like your 3100s, it's going to be a great build. Thanks for watching.